I was initially brought in to work with Elior, probably on two remits really. Look after the wellbeing of the staff on which we're involved in across the 14 sites on this contract, and also just to work on the food service area, just to check that kind of there's a nutritional balance and give assistance where necessary on kind of the nutrition values and levels within the catering area. Nowadays people are not necessarily having an hour lunch breaks. We've got to suit people, they're on the run, they want these quick convenient snacks. People want to eat healthy. We need to encourage that, we need to assist them, we also need to empower people, give them knowledge of what they're eating so they can make an educated decision.
It's a constant, preconception butter is always going to be better. So to use a product such as flour buttery is interesting to utilise and then see the differences in flavours and textures of the products that's produced by it. The flavour, the mix inside is very good. I mean, the aeration is very good. I'd like to try that margarine out in cookies, but like I said, I think it can be utilised in certain recipes and then advised in others.
I actually use flour at home and I was quite surprised because I didn't initially think that you could use it in all areas, and the versatility of it quite surprises me because in different cooking processes I didn't realise it'd come out quite as well as it did. So yeah, in terms of the taste test we did, I was very surprised.
As regard with the flapjack that we used it for, the benefits of that is obviously butter solidifies harder when it's cold, where the margarine wouldn't, so you'd actually get a much more chewier, much more easier to cut straight out of the fridge base, so it actually has a better quality.
I think it's important for us here to offer choice to people. If people want to eat cakes, pastries, that has to be on offer. We are a food provider. But I think it's also key for us to make little steps to help them to be a little bit healthier. If we can reduce the saturated fat within these products, lower the sugar slightly, these small steps are important. So actually we're not compromising on the taste, but also we are actually making a little bit of a health pledge towards helping these people.
We look at how we can cook food fresher. So rather than having it pre-cooked and then reheated, everything we try and produce is to order. This is how we can give a better quality product to the customer, but also a much fresher, much healthier product to the customer, rather than having it sitting around in its juices and fats. People presume that we, as caterers, only produce food that is beneficial to us. It's quick, it's easy, we bash it out. From my point of view, I'm a chef. I want to create food which people are going to enjoy. And I enjoy, my chefs enjoy cooking. They get pleasure out producing something that's fresh with the ingredients. From that point of view, the customer gets the benefit of that, and in turn they will come back. So my vision is always to basically look at how I can create better food, more healthier food, but for the client's benefit. At
present we're doing a lot of surveys to ensure we know a little bit about people's habits, their food habits, their lifestyle habits, what's going on within the workplace, and then we're going to put some measures together to ensure that in 12 months' time we can see there's a difference. We're looking at absenteeism, we're looking at the health and happiness of the staff, we're going to make sure that there's some areas in the food menu that we're catering to everybody's needs, so that in 12 months' time we can see that we're making a difference to the health of these people.